Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, it is summertime, as you know. Look what I just purchased at the farmer's market. Look at that. Fresh picked. I don't know if that video is going to come out. It's a little clip I put at the end of another video. The farmer's market. Not a farmer's market. It's a fruit and vegetable market in Hempstead. I think it's the Nora, how you pronounce it. But yeah, they have some fresh blackberries here. Let me go and put them in and get to washing them off. Fresh picked blackberries is absolutely amazing in the summer. They only have them in the summertime. So I say I'm going to pick them up. And you know what I'm going to make with those, y'all. You already see by the preview picture. And got to make sure you wash them really, really good, y'all. Even though they pick them and clean them too, but I really like to wash them really, really good. It's some beautiful, beautiful blackberries, y'all. Beautiful. Look how plump these are, y'all. Look at that. Let me taste one. Oh my God. They're so sweet, y'all. So I'm gonna make old school Blackberry Cobbler, y'all. That's what I make with it. So let's get started, y'all. I think y'all seen this before. I think I made this before once or twice. So all I do is very simple, y'all. Blackberry, the sugar. Now the sugar can vary. Pineapple juice, that's my key right there. Pineapple juice. Now you usually save a few berries back. Now, I used to save a few berries back, but I didn't. So they don't all cook up. It doesn't make it's not a big deal, y'all. Usually I save some back so they, so I can have some whole ones in there. Because when they're cooking down, they pretty much all disintegrate. I got some butter here, a little vanilla. Like I was telling y'all, the sugar can vary according to how sweet the berries are. So that'll really distinguish how sweet you want your cobbler to be. I like the sweeter cobbler because that's how my mama made it. And that's pretty much it. We're going to bring this to a boil. Very simple, y'all. Bring this to the boil. Let the berries cook good. And then we're going to tighten it with some cornstarch. Pour it in my crust. Bake it off about 45 minutes. And it'll be ready. Old school Blackberry Cobbler, y'all, just like mama and grandmother used to make. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Now, y'all, I like to let my berries cook down a little, just to make sure they're nice and soft. I don't like, number one, let me tell you a little story here. My mama, when she used to cook this for me, she had me spoiled with berry cobbler. She called it berry pie, y'all. She used to take this, and she used to strain the berries off and just give me the crust and the juice. She used to make me one with just the crust and the juice, y'all. Sure did. Sure did. So, yeah, I like to let my berries cook just a little, to make sure they, especially fresh berries, fresh blackberries, and make sure they're nice and soft. And they've been cooking about 15 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to add some cornstarch, which we're going to add slurry. Slurry is 50% cornstarch, 50% water. Yeah, always make when you do your cornstarch, always make a slurry. Gonna pour this in here. That's the technical term for this, is slurry, y'all. Pour that in there. See how pretty that's getting? Once you add that cornstarch in there, y'all, look at that. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. That's as thick as I want it right there, y'all. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna turn this down. It's gonna definitely start popping. Look at that, y'all. Pretty that is. Look at that, y'all. All right. We're gonna let this cook about 1 minute or so. Kind of cook that cornstarch out. And then we're going to pour it in my pie crust over here. Pretty that is, y'all. Look how pretty that is. See that? So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to move y'all over here. to my pie crust. Y'all know I use my Pillsbury pre-rolled pie dough. I don't make no pie crust. I can. It was made it for years. But I cook so much, y'all. So I'm not going to sit here and make no pie crust. And I can be doing something else more important. Okay, we're going to pour that in there like that. Got that in there. Now we're going to take our other pie crust that I got right here. Get my scissors here and open this up. Now, there's nothing in science, y'all, how y'all do this. Nothing. You can put the whole crust on the top, or you can do it like a little lattice, like what I'm about to do. But you can do it whatever comfortable for you. Whatever comfortable for you. And I'm gonna do the little strips here. Just put the little strips on there just like this. And put my little strips just like this on there. Just like this. Alright, we're gonna get fancy. I'm gonna go crisscross with it like this, y'all. Fancy with it, look at that. Chef Jeffrey getting fancy on us. Oh yeah. Y'all didn't think I had them skills to get fancy, did you? Alrighty. There we go. Now, I'm going to take some butter here. We're going to put on top some butter on top of here. And then we're going to sprinkle some sugar on there. Second. You can definitely brush it with melted butter you want to. The reason I don't do that, because if I try to brush it with the melted butter, it's gonna dip down into the blueberries and mess up the topping. That's why I do cold butter like this. It's gonna do the same method. It's got a little soft butter. Just kind of put it on top just like that. It ain't gonna hurt it. What do you say? Everything's better with butter, right? There we go. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna sprinkle a little sugar on here, and we're gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees, about 45 minutes. That's all it's gonna take. The sugar gonna crystallize on there. You're gonna have a nice topping. It's gonna be good to go. So anyway, y'all, in the oven, 350 degrees, about 45 minutes, and it'll be ready. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at this, y'all. Fresh out the oven, fresh out the oven. Look at that. Still bubbling. That's the Blackberry Cobbler right there, y'all. And y'all already know I cannot eat this thing right now. I cannot eat this right now. So I'm gonna let this cool off here a little bit. Take that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna get a bowl of this, and we're gonna try it out. I know it's good, y'all. It just screams summertime. See how it's screaming? Look at it. It's just screaming summertime, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, let this cool down just a little. Look at this, y'all. Look at that bowl of Blackberry Cobbler, y'all. Bowl of Blackberry Cobbler. Now, as this set up, y'all, it's going to get thicker. Like, if it's set up overnight, put in the refrigerator, this thing going to get thicker. So why I like mine about this loose. See the juice like that? It's about as thick as I want it, and thin as I want it. It's perfect consistency. Okay. Wow. Okay, y'all, let's get a good bite here. A little blackberry on there. A little crust. going in here. See that? Absolutely amazing. Wow. Now y'all, this is not my day to be eating sweets, so I'm not gonna eat any more of this until Sunday. I'm gonna put this away until Sunday when I can really eat me a bowl of this. And you can also, y'all, some people like ice cream on their cobbler. I'm not an ice cream on a cobbler guy, because let me tell you why. I'm very particular with my palate. If I put ice cream on this and it melts in there, to me it's a soupy mess. And I don't know what I'm tasting. It's all just blended together and just ruins the whole eating experience to me with ice cream on cobbler. Some people love it. To me, I'm very particular how I eat my food. Especially, I don't like ice cream on cake. I don't like ice cream on no pie. Nothing like that. But some people like it. It works well together. So if you want to put a scoop of bluebell vanilla on there, go for it. So anyway, nice, easy cobbler. It was just born and raised in the summertime eating it. We used to go pick blackberries. You have to take a stick with you. Y'all answer in the comments why you have to take a stick with you when you go pick blackberries. So let me know in the comments and I'll see if y'all got it right later on. But I was a thing around in the summertime picking berries. Yep. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. Ooh, I'm choked up here. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.